grab 2 blocks. Set up, the top block is on its highest height. That's where your head is going to go. And then the next block is on the middle height. You're going to turn the block sideways so that it is horizontal. And then you're going to set your hips on the floor. Bring your hands behind you, find that first block, and you want it to be right at the bottom tips of your shoulder blades so that your shoulder blades sit on the block. And then the taller block is your pillow. So you're just going to position that guy right underneath your head, and then you can adjust a little bit. So if you are feeling a lot of tension in your lower back, move the lower block up towards your head slightly. All right, and then let your hips drop. So you might straighten your legs out. You might find some other orientation for your legs that feels comfortable. Take your arms a little bit higher than you're used to. And you can play with arm position to find something, but in this version, I find that the more up my arms are, the more interesting it actually is. So you can sort of play with that. Maybe you prefer down by your side. Just find something that works, that you can relax into. So not trying to force anything here, just finding something that works. And then as you settle into the shape, into the support of the blocks, see if you can let your mind be free. So without giving it a task, without giving it something to do or focus on, you let your mind be as vast as the sky. And if at any point you start to feel your mind filling up with planning or worrying, see if you can bring yourself back to this mantra. Where on the inhale, you say to yourself, I am. And as you exhale, say to yourself, grateful. As a plan or a thought or worry pops in, fills that space in your mind, can you replace it with gratitude and breath? And then as you feel your mind opening again, maybe you let that mantra go. We're just using the breath and the mantra as much or as little as needed. To replace any worries, any to-dos, any meaningless thoughts that pop in. Enjoying the spaces between where the mind is open. And then as it fills, consciously choosing to bring ourselves back to breath and gratitude. I am grateful. Connecting to that experience of the breath, that capacity to take in patiently, and to let go of what isn't necessary right now. Using breath and gratitude to come back to this present moment, this only moment that matters. And then around the next breath or so, before you move, just start to plan your escape from this position. So see it in your mind first. Maybe that means bringing your feet back in to support you. Planning how you're going to establish the support necessary to lift you off of these blocks and come onto your back. And then once you know how to do that, once you've seen it, start to make that transition onto your back. Moving the blocks out of the way. And as you come onto your back, just take a moment there to feel yourself landing. Feeling this connection to all that supports you. These internal systems and functions, the environment that you're in, the people and loved ones and community around you. Sensing this deep seed of gratitude for all that supports you, for all that guides you, for all that strengthens you. And then take a full breath in. And exhale. And start to make your way up to a seat. Take your time. And pausing along the way to reconnect to that support. And as you arrive here, again, come back to the inhale, I am. The exhale, grateful. I am. Feel the expansion. Grateful. Feel the exhale, the letting go. Clearing out. And bring your palms to touch in front of your heart, a slight bow to yourself, a gesture of gratitude to you. To you for taking the time to reset, to replace worry and planning, thinking and doing with gratitude. So that you can move forward to the rest of your day from a place of appreciation, peacefulness, and gratitude. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice today. I hope that it was helpful and that it supports you through the rest of your day.